Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Saturday, March 21, and we thank God. We are grateful for a nice day today, for a nice day, nice trees, and also we thank God for the blessings, good health to everyone. Today, Saturday, March 21, is the birth of our beloved dad. And we will be going there, the family, to pray in his graveyard as well as my mom. We would like to honor and please pray for my dad, Federico Munoz, because we are grateful for all the memories instilled in our mind for to be a good children. We thank you, Dad, for this. And up to now, we still remember all the guidance as well as his grandchildren. He loved so much. So we thank you, Daddy, for your guidance to us. You are a wonderful man, and I know you're happy in heaven. Just pray for us, pray for the good health. And today also, I will attend the meeting of the Philippine Medical Society of Northern California. I don't want to miss this, even though I'm going to the cemetery, because the Philippine Medical Society of Northern California is part of my life for 35 years. So, you should be always grateful whatever you are so busy. Share your time and talent for the good of our country. And please attend our Philippine Medical Society of Northern California May 16, our fundraising for the medical mission, scholars, and outreach. So, thank you again. We are grateful for the day, for the faith, hope, and love. And please pray every day for the peace of the world, for the peace of the family, and for the peace of all of us. Good day and thank you everyone. Have a good day. Good day. Thank you, my dear Dr. Nikki, for doing this video. Thank you again. I love you all. Love the family. Bye-bye. And please watch, share. Bernadette Rocco. Please make 1,000,000 viewers so that I could get a good prize for this and donate it to the good deeds. Thank you. And I hope you like my video. Today's thought is you have to love, we have to thank God, and we have to have peace among us, peace of the word, and grateful day. Thank you.